Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to extract text from a cell or a statement by using flash fill. In this Excel file, we have few product IDs wherein we have some text with combination of numbers. If you want to extract only the text, we can just type in the text to be extracted and then we can use this flash fill. Let's assume I need to get all the characters before the numbers. We'll type the first characters till the numbers, select the cell and press Ctrl E. We'll get all the text till the numbers are starting. If you want all the text which are available after the numbers, we'll just type the text after the numbers and press Ctrl E. We'll get all the text after these numbers. Suppose we want to get all the text from this cell. Let's type all the characters available and then we'll press Ctrl E. We'll get all the text in the cell. So by flash fill, we can extract the text available from a cell by using this flash fill. Thank you so much for watching this video.